Bakynsai TV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai Junka Tata Motors Halatko Ni Shillong Ringkat Bakanet Foodish Ordar Mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakirdob Ying Jompi
Ka Indian Youth Congress hakala asngi ublay jong ka arpu santarik ubnaya yong arajar arpu kala khot bat weri ki samla ki bala kenjo ya karta ka bala khat prasnem shajarong banya shimbenta ka rensan ya kop kren halor ki mat bapher ki bakintop halor ki jinge ha ka jilla ka jingkeu dor ki marba mardi ka jinge ka bami ne ka jinge ka jiapot hapdeng ka jilla Meghalaya bat Assam ka pule puthi ka kot ka khia ka umbam umdi ki surok bat ki lenti ki singkin bat ki wei de ki mat ki bakta ye ki imlang ka salang bat ye ka bha ka miat jong ki pai ba nong song snong ka General Secretary jong ka Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress ha ka Jingïakop bat ki lat pathai khubor harungkat ka jinge donlang jong ki National Spokesperson ki ba pet ye ka North East ki ba kintop ya ka Momita Kali badu Gaurav Jain ki la pentip ba yagani ka Jingïakop an sa penlong shwa ha ka district level bat hadin kani ye ki nong job kin yo lat banye shimbenta sa ha ka state level bat ye ki ba job an sa jet ha ka rensan Jingïakop jong ka national level ki nong job ha ka rensan Jingïakop ha ka national level kin sa yo pdyang ye ka khusnam da ka song pisa lembat ki trophy.
It's a platform to give a voice to the people, to the youngsters who are not being able to raise their voices against anyone, whatever wrong is happening in the country. Right now what we are seeing is anytime you raise a voice against the government, against any institution, you're branded as anti-national, you're branded as anti-government, you're branded as anything. But we all know that it's a fundamental right to raise our voices, to criticize the government. It's a fundamental right. Even like 40 years back on this date, we had this landmark judgment of Keshavanand Bharti in which Supreme Court affirmed that freedom of speech is a constitutional right which cannot be overridden by anyone. But what we are seeing right now we have an MLA who an elected MLA, like people who had been chosen by the people, but for a single tweet he has been arrested by the Assam police. So imagine if the MLA is going through such hardship, what is going on with the other activists, with the students, with the other leaders. So that's why we are trying to provide a platform to anyone who wants to raise their voice, who feels like he's not been heard. So through this program, we'll be launching this program called Young Jingïakop, through which there will be district level competition, through which there will be state level competition, and through which we will choose a national spokesperson who will go on TV debates, who will represent our party, who will represent our ideology. So this is regarding the launch of this program, and we are focusing on regional languages. What we are seeing right now is there's a program going on for the Hindi hegemony in the country. Even though we all understand Hindi, we all understand the significance of Hindi, but we believe that you cannot impose any language on the people without their will. But right now the present government, the present ruling government in the center as well as in the state, they are imposing a single structure, a single language, which I don't feel is good for the unity of the country. So that's why we are launching this program in English, and we're focusing on regional languages as well, so that people can raise their voice, people can raise their voice of dissent, and people can raise whatever they feel the government is doing wrong, or whatever they feel the government is doing right. So this is why we're launching this Young Jingïakop Season 2.
Kemudian sabha ya berkat kisahnya juga setiap bagi nation kita dan ke Young Jingïakop kinkrach pangajeng kebangi kibenok song Nanigum kisahnya nation Langipet kalian ke border, habang sokar lade no ikacaka, caka Assam. Habang ipet ha Jingïakop ya jam unemployment. Habang ipet ha Jingïakop kamar mardi. Habang ipet ha kalian cakap kuat kaya. Kacabang ipet, kacabang ipai, hilap dan pun setengah Jingïakop. Telada, kisultan nad, kisukwa macam mata ha kini competition, kini district level competition, state level competitions. Walada hijab, hilap banyak kan national level competition. Dekat bagi prices, terlada pilih cahaya, kajing tip kan tip hi, kajing berat jenis saya berokhat kan tip hi. Kayut kumpas.
Date of entry 31st May. 31st May is the last date of name enrollment of competitors. Assembly and district level competition will be held from 1st June to 31st July. Assembly and district level competition will be held from 1st June to 31st July. And state level competition will be held from 1st August to 20th September 2022. State level competition 1st August to 20th September. And जो लोग स्टेट लेवल कंपटीशन में हमारे जो भाइयों बहनों जो लोग क्वालिफाई करेंगे उस सबको लेकर नेशनल लेवल में जो कंपटीशन होगा वो है ग्रैंड फिनाले। वो ग्रैंड फिनाले चलेगा 30th सितंबर, 1st सितंबर एंड 2nd अक्टूबर गांधी जयंती के दिन। ये है नेशनल लेवल कंपटीशन जो होगा 30th सितंबर से 2nd अक्टूबर तक। ये कंपटीशन टोटल अरेंजमेंट होगा IYC हेडक्वार्टर्स में। This is the total schedule. This is the total timing schedule of Young India के बोल season 2.
Ketika Young India ke bol, ke banyak sebentar, di keberi ke badan ni kejing ia eksen kongres, ke laban ini tan ke samlan, kino ke barang ba, ke rukun thai, ke orang ba, ke laban keren ke ai ke ba kejing ia eksen hakastir. Dan kam sebentar tay, ni kat sebang ipai ni itu kejing ia sudah. Keren hakten lajong, nomor keren hakten lajong, esmong try. Ikran na dugo danuat, ipin mila sabar ke ibang isno. Jadi ni poiro siya ka national level, ni kran hidak fitin na jom, ipin pau siya ibang hindi kasi. Dan niya kontak ero ban pendrung, niya kan ipin ingin ban kwa ban pendrung kasi haka echedo. Kila launch na do ka 26 of March. Temata kila ban login, ring ye video song hi, sasan haka ne ka, web siya haka ne ka link. Sasan hang ni ye video sa upload, te kila ban register siya. Kabay register ada si sepatu kas registration. Last registration kadi 31st of May. Kadi ke platform yang ni bangin mi nalaki senang, nalaki yen, bangin peni kisap bangidam kamno bangin keren ka insan. Mde ban leran. Ikwa ban say kisamla, kiban kasap ban keren. Mde bangin syukran bang hapo yen, ngin comments tang YouTube, ngidi ban mi sabarin. Peni laki sap, mde bangin keren. Tamang mde ban keren nakiktin ki bakhwar ki bakta mat yang ni no. Keren halor kejing shisha. Ya kejing khusnam juga kejing job ki hada unta ke pat penbena kat no kador, definite trophies ki certificate nang tabre phina banong national speaker trong ka youth congress. Ya on. Ha kem jing sham na jong gen sham yu mata kan ka CUET ki khana bon ki ban school dropout. Phin le sha ela da phin pass. Phin tho shi phin tho shi li tho. Sama yang asnaw ni tibahaye ang san spa registration teki khana nang ke badai computer illiterate komno kini thoi ka exam komno kini apya kane berkhat ke lek peki kwa ban pam sap na ka education department na ki khana modor kimi khipa ke bangdan man sio ko by form san spa komno kin sio to we need to fight back.